up guys, it's Oscar from Tech Religion, and today I'm unboxing and reviewing the Anker Lightning Cable 3-foot version guys. And the reason I bought this is because I saw it on sale on Amazon for £6.50, which is amazing. It's normally worth about £13, but it was on sale, which I'll leave links down below, so go grab yours now. And I'm just going to be comparing it to the £20 Apple one. This came with the iPhone 7 that I was reviewing, and I'm still doing a series on that. If you want to go check that out, links down below in the description below. So yeah, next, take a look at the box quickly. As you can see, it says Anker Lightning Cable 3-foot, which is 9 meters, 0.9 meters I mean. It's made for iPod, iPhone and iPad. It is Apple verified. It's one of the cheap Apple verified cables. And on the back here, it says America's #1 USB charging brand. Faster and safer charging with our leading technology. See what I did there? Leading? Sorry. 10 million happy users and counting. So they normally do that, Anker. And you can always go to their website down below, which I'll leave links down below. Also, this is not a paid advertisement. Yeah, let's hop into it. Here. I'm going to open it with my red nose pen. Open up, peel. And let's quickly peel this open. I think I hit my tripod then, but so here we go. And let's open up the box now. And inside the box we've got the cable. We'll have a look in just 1 second. Let's get the accessories out first. Happy or not happy, Anker always do that in all their products, which is quite cool. And let's get some information guys. Yeah. Pause the video if you want to have a look now. And anything else in the box, that's it for the box. Let's have a look at the cable now. So the cable itself is braided, did I mention? Apple one is not braided. And oh, it comes with this. It comes with a Velcro strap, guys. Oh my god. How premium is that? That there is premium. Wait. Is it one time use though? It comes with a Velcro strap, guys. What sort of premium technology is that? Although I can't even get it off now. Which, there we go. This strap here that says Anker on it. Velcro strap, guys. Pretty nice. Very premium. And it feels like I paid about 20 quid for this. On the Apple, guys. It's 3 foot long. And yeah. So you got a lightning here with the Anker logo. And you got a USB on the other side here. With the Anker sign on it. And yeah. That's basically it, really. It's braided, so it's going to be quite robust, I guess. As you can see here, I'll just hold a bit of cable up so you can see that detail braided. You can see that versus the Apple original one, which is just a like white wire. I think the braided cable definitely does beat the white wire here. And yeah, it's overall great. I like the build quality. My opinions on this, yeah, definitely. I'm going to from now on buy Anker products. Anker chargers now. Well, anyway guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Shake your head. Get that style check.